Hi, I'm Cassie from Qingdao TNT Homeware Company Limited. Welcome to my live stream channel. I'm so excited to meet you and attend the 128th Canton Fair this year. We designed a lot of new items for this Canton Fair. Today I would like to introduce the popular cotton rope. This set of 2 cotton rope baskets. Let's check the detail. It's green color, and in order to make this basket look very special, we mix different color on the top of the basket. For the big one is blue color, and for the small one is yellow color. And you can find a set of 2, and there's big space inside. You can put anything inside: toys, makeup, cosmetics, anything inside to make your room tidy and organized. And let's check the bottom. It's cotton rope, very soft. It will not leave scratches on the floor. And you can find the surface is very smooth and soft. Let's check the size. For the big one, diameter 31, height 31 centimeter. For the small one, diameter 28, height 28 centimeter. For this basket, you can mix different color in this basket, and you also cotton rope can change any color, so you can advise us the Pantone number. We can send you mock-up picture for your selection. It can load about 2,000 sets in 40 container. Our MOQ only 300 sets. Okay, next. This also set of 2 cotton rope baskets. Let's check the detail. The top part is cream. The bottom is black and cream thread together, mix different color together. And this basket is 2-tone color. You can find we design a PVC handle for easy carrying. For the cotton rope, you also can change jute handle, PVC handle as you like. For the small one, without handle, you also can add handle on it. Recent years, a lot of customers like this color. And you also can change gray and cream thread mixed together. Cotton rope can make any color, so you can change any color for this basket. And for the PVC handle, we also can change another handle to match the color of the basket. Let's check the size. For the big one, diameter 35, height 33 centimeter. For the small one, diameter 27, height 25 centimeter. This basket is set of 2. You also can add a medium one as set of 3 basket. And it can load about 2,000 sets in 40 container. You can mix 8 items in 40 container.